Hi guys, for those of you who are going to get the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 coming out this March 8th, I got a few cases here to show you guys from ArmadilloTek. The first one is the Vanguard Series military grade rugged case in black. This one is for the S10 Plus, and this one for the S10 Plus 2. Navy Peony is the color, and this is the Urban Ranger series. Right here we got, this is for the S10 blue, and this is the Vanguard series military grade rugged case. So any of this case here, you guys get it for the S10 Plus, the S10e, or the S10. So whichever one you guys are gonna get, they will have a case for it. Okay. Now let's open all this up and check them out. Let's put that aside. Okay, we got a card in from ArmadilloTek. And here's the inner ring. There's a cutout slot for the volume up and down button, Bixby button. On the other side is the power cutout. On the bottom here, you're gonna have, I think that's the speaker, the microphone, charging port, and the 3.5 millimeter port for your headphone. And up on top here, I think this is for another microphone. And it's a hard plastic inner piece, extra protection for the phone if you drop it. Okay. Now the case, we got the cutout for 3 camera that the Samsung Galaxy S10 gonna have. Okay, it's hard plastic on the back. On the side, it's pretty rubbery to protect your phone. Extra absorption. So in case you drop the phone, you get the extra cushion there to protect it. And this one got the kickstand. Go. Okay, with pretty staple, sturdy stand. Okay, easy to take out and put back. Snap in place nicely. And here we go. You got some grip here, so you know it's easy to grip onto the phone so it doesn't slip off. Right there. You got the power button. You got the up and down volume button, Bixby button. On the bottom, you got the 3.5 millimeter port for your headphone. This is the charging port and the cutout for the speaker and the microphone. It's pretty cool that they have this flap to protect your charging port and when you don't use it. Okay, and you got the power button here. Okay, that is the S10 Plus Vanguard Series rugged case. Let's check out this one. Okay, ArmadilloTek.com, call it again. And this one doesn't have the inner ring. So, and this is the urban, let me see, I forgot the name. Let me see, this is the Urban Ranger case, rubbery. You got the cutout for the 3 camera. On the bottom, you got the microphone cut out, the charging port cut out, and the speaker and microphone together in one cutout. Another microphone cut out on top, and you got the power button on the side. You have the same grip as the Vanguard Series on both sides, and it's very rubbery. Navy peony color. Okay, this is the Urban, I forgot the name again. Urban Ranger series for the S10 Plus, but you can get the same case for the S10 or the S10e too. Okay, so let's open this one. This one is for the S10, and this is the Vanguard series. This is blue color. And the same thing with the S10 Plus Vanguard series. You got the inner ring, hot plastic like the S10 Plus inner ring. Okay, you got the power button, you got the up and down volume, Bixby button on the bottom, headphone jack, you got the charging port, microphone slot, and a speaker slot. On top, there's another microphone slot there. Okay, and this is the blue color for the S10, but you get this color for the S10 Plus too. It's available. Okay, and all these cases here, guys, it's compatible with wireless charging. Okay, all this case here that they have is compatible with wireless charging, so you don't have to worry about that. And this one do have this kickstand. All right, so let's see if we could fit this ring inner ring onto the case. So I guess this is the fun. Slip from the bottom. Slip the bottom in first. See how it looks with the ring inside. Fits pretty nice, tight, solid. I do really like this case. It's pretty rugged, strong, durable. Okay. Now this is the S10 Plus. Got a 2 right here. Just the S10 Plus is slightly bigger. Try this in. Right there. Slip to the bottom. All right. Here you go. You fit nicely. Okay. You got. It's pretty cool that you got the flap there to protect the headphone port, the 3.5mm headphone jack, and then the charging port when you don't use it. Alright guys, if you guys like any of these cases for your Samsung Galaxy S10 from ArmadilloTek, click the link in the description below. It will take you to Armadillo website. You could purchase from there, and they do sell on Amazon too. There you go. All right guys, please comment down below, let me know what you think about these cases, and remember to subscribe to my channels for more videos update, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.